Hello, everybody. Welcome to Beyond Boundaries with Lisa Richmond. I'm Lisa Richmond. I am super happy to be back. Tuesday was my first video back. Thank you to everybody who was super grateful and gracious, I should say, in all your comments. You guys are the best. This community is literally the best ever in the world. So thank you. Okay, so this message today is coming through kind of in real time. You're watching it happen. So if you stumbled upon this video, it's for you. As always, take what resonates, leave behind what doesn't, share with somebody who you might be like, boom, she's talking about them. All the same things, okay? So right away, my guides wanted me to jump on and talk. Obviously, I'm hooking into some like individuals, if you're watching, like your energy. And the message here is like tower moment that has transpired within your existence is starting to make sense. So if you've never heard the term like tower moment in the tarot deck, there's the tower card, and it's kind of like a feared card, meaning like everything that was in existence is crumbling, right? And when you have tower moments, people have like massive upheavals in their like everyday life. Maybe it's a divorce, maybe it's a death in the family, maybe it's losing a job, maybe it's like the dissipation of something that has always been a constant in your life. Okay. So essentially, the structure in which has been built upon your existence and your belief systems and your relationships crumbled, tower crumbling. Okay. I'm realizing right now that as this is coming out, it's not very compassionate. And so I apologize. I want you to know that this comes forward with a lot of compassion because tower moments are awful. They feel awful. They are definitely intricate part of your experience here as a human from your soul and your guidance team. Tower moments allow for pivotal change. They are like markers in the map of our human existence and journey. Okay. And so quite often we can go back over our lifeline and pick out the tower moments because they were the pivotal moments, the turning points, the I lost everything in order and then found this, right? But when you're in the middle of the rubble falling, it feels scary and the upheaval isn't easy. So look, I want to like 100% give credit where credit is due and say you're not alone. And that tower moment, I give you a ton of compassion and love and energy in your tower moment or from your tower moments. The things that have broken down, the things that are like, why in the hell is this happening? Like, I can't take any more. Oof, take more. You know what I mean? Like, so this is coming to you as like my guides were like, go down and say this now. I was like, okay. Like, I was not planning on turning the video on, but they want you to know that, it has occurred. And if you're right in the middle of it right now, know that this is all so intricately designed for your greater good, and that the more that you can trust what is unfolding from this is something in which is designed by the higher power of yourself and your team and source. All one is all happening for you. And the more that you can put that into confirmation for yourself on a daily basis, I trust in the unfolding of my life's purpose. I trust that everything that I'm experiencing is happening for me and that I will see clearly very soon. That once the dust settles a little bit and you're able to see what was built on that foundation can't exist anymore. It was built with materials that are no longer in use. And this is an opportunity for you to rebuild your stable foundation with the materials you need in order to have your life unfold in the way that you designed it to be. I know that can be really triggering because it's like as if I designed myself to go through this pain and suffering. I get it. I do. Oh, I do. like the energy, because again, like my first language is energy. And so the way in which I translate the energy into words or actions or symbols, it like I do my best, right? And so the energy of this is like you don't even know what the materials that you're building your new structure on are yet, because you're so used to working with the outdated materials that built your original structure. And if you trust, if you allow yourself to receive this and greater, this and more, please continue to show me with maybe a little bit more ease how this is happening for me and how I can best serve my life's mission for the greater good. Even that alone is going to hand you the power to be able to build your new foundation based on your own beliefs and in your own, like, again, like the structure that you're building, this new foundation of your existence is on this whole different level. And we're having these like micro towers on a daily basis, more macro into our life, but also like our country and our continent and our world. And, you know, like it just is having tower moments. Shit is falling all over the place. But here's the beautiful part, is that if it wasn't, your existence would be built up on a foundation that is made of outdated materials. So if you've experienced a tower moment of any sort, whether it's health, relationship, like all the things, try and really like embody the understanding that your existence within that was built on outdated materials, and it's giving you the opportunity to rebuild on your personal, like very authentic building materials so that you can build your structure not from anybody else's. Like once the thing's gone down, you can take a look and be like, shit, that whole like ground foundation was built on my parents' beliefs. Then my ex-husband had a big portion in there, or ex-wife, whatever. And then it was all about like my perception of worthiness in a parent role. And now the kids are gone, my relationship is shit, and my parents this and this and this, and it's all fallen down because I'm exhausted. I've had health issues, chronic this, that, and the other, and I'm trying to tread water, and all of a sudden this huge thing came out of nowhere. Well, hun, that's because it's giving you your power back to build your foundation with the materials that is made just for you by you. The strength of that is beyond what you can even know, because your old outdated materials, that's what you're so used to having. Okay, big analogy here. But this is a very powerful message. Very powerful. So if you know anybody who's in the thick of it right now, try and you can either send them this video, or you can try and allow them to see somehow with compassion how this gives them their sovereignty in order to build something that is made from them. And it is not your responsibility to build somebody else's structure either. The best way that you can lead is by building your structure authentically, so people can witness what a beautiful tower built out of authenticity looks like. And it empowers them to find their material. Okay? So it's a quick message, powerful, to the point. I hope that you guys resonated with this. Please drop in the comments how this hits home for you. And I want you to know, if you're still here, then this is for you. And that you are so, so protected. And you have a system and a team and a higher power that is like, okay, guys, this tower's got to come down, like, and it comes down, and they are all around you, holding space for you because they love you and you designed this to happen so that you can live your most authentic, powerful life. And what is unfolding is beyond what you can imagine. Because the only thing that creates those images or the imagining to happen comes from old, outdated materials. You don't even know. You don't even know yet. So just trust. One foot in front of the other. How is this happening for me? This or something better. Please continue to guide me so I can understand how this is unfolding for my greatest and highest good. And let me serve for me and for the greater good. Today and always with love. Okay. I love you. I love you so much. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart to the depths of my existence. I love you. And I'm so grateful that you are alive. And your worthiness is not dependent on anybody else's perception of you. Your worthiness is not dependent on anybody else's perception of you. Okay? I send you this with love. Peace. I'll see you next week.